We break down. One more time, it stabs up above the uppermost closing price here. That's a rejection block. It breaks down, and then it runs below the opening price at midnight over here. Now, this move here, you might look at that on the lower time frame and say, yeah, that's my model, that's my setup. There's nothing wrong with that. Others that are looking to trade on a longer term time frame, they can't trade ahead of news reports and take advantage of the small intraday fluctuations for scalping or day trading. They have to position themselves on a swing trade. Well, this is how you do it, folks. If we're bullish and we're looking for a move below the opening price to get an ideal power 3 entry, and that's a mouthful. My concept, power 3, is where we're looking for the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phase of the daily range and or weekly range. But it also can be utilized inside of the sessions, like the morning session and the afternoon session. Each one of those fractals in time, a perspective, if you will, in framing the price in the context of a specific range of time. Power 3 is when I'm bullish, I'm expecting the low to form below a key opening price, and the key opening price for the daily range is midnight New York local time. So we drive down below that into a old low. So sell side below this low is collected, engaged. Why would that be necessary for the market to see that? It's going to drop down below there to absorb all that sell side liquidity and be counterparty to their smart money longs. So they're buying the sell stops here below the opening price at midnight. So that is where you could have a order if you are a swing trader or non-intraday trader. The way you would do that is you would just have your alerts set to tell you when the market dips below that opening price or gets close to it. And if you're bullish, you can put limit orders down there, and then whatever the high you're aiming for, there should be two of them. The high of the day that's formed, and then the target you're reaching for, as we outlined last night, 4,072 and 3/4 level. You don't need to be babysitting it. Your positions will be very small, probably one contract, or maybe even a micro, and you just let it go. You don't worry about all these small little fluctuations I'm going to cover now and what I've went through and outlined beforehand live on Twitter.